In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Fidelity account. While we often say delete, what you'll actually do is close the account, since financial institutions typically keep basic customer records for regulatory reasons. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups. First, make sure the account balance is zero. This means clearing out any holdings and cash so there's nothing left in the account. If you hold investments, you can sell them or transfer them to another brokerage. After that, withdraw any remaining cash so the balance reads zero. Keeping the account empty is essential because you won't be able to submit a closure request if anything remains. If you choose to sell, give trades time to settle before you move on. Settlement can take a couple of business days, and pending dividends or interest may arrive slightly later. It's a good idea to cancel any automatic deposits or scheduled transfers tied to the account so money doesn't flow back in after you clear it. Double check for open orders that haven't executed yet and review potential tax implications of selling, especially if this is a taxable account. Once your holdings are gone and the cash is withdrawn, log into your Fidelity account. From there, head to the customer support page and open the Fidelity virtual assistant. In the assistant chat, type close account. The assistant will guide you through the on-screen steps to submit the closure request. Follow the prompts carefully, confirm the specific account you want to close, and review any final disclosures presented on the screen. If anything looks off, pause and fix it before proceeding. Some account types may require calling Fidelity support instead of completing the closure online. If the assistant indicates that your account needs phone support, follow that direction. This can happen for certain specialized or restricted account categories, and it's normal. The representative will help finalize the request once your balance is confirmed at zero. A few important notes before we wrap up. Fidelity generally does not fully delete customer profiles because of financial record-keeping regulations, so your profile will still exist even after the account is closed. After closing, the account may continue to appear on your dashboard for a short time, but you can hide it from view if you prefer. And typically, Fidelity does not charge an account closure fee. That's the process from start to finish. Clear the balance, log in, use the virtual assistant to request closure, and follow any prompts to complete it. Thanks for watching, and take your time to review each step so your closure goes smoothly.